Mina kwawulo mngane wami omunye lo muntu uyalikhohlwa ibizo lakhe but was a best friend of mine. Ngiyalikhumbula, never forget what he said to me. Sasisuka sisiya ema-village sisiya dinga ukudla. Sithe one day siphenduka wabe sithi wena mfana Max uyakwazi ngakubulala. Ngathi asokutheni kanti ndoda? Wathi hayi ngakubulala mina mesilo scout. But just because you have been so good to me angikubulali. Hamba itshela ama-comrades ukuthi lizabhonjwa.
Emoyeni bakithi kuyatshisa, emoyeni yethu kwemngani wami, solo emoyeni bakithi kuyatshisa, singethi emoyeni yethu kwakubuhlungu, emoyeni bakithi kuyatshisa, emoyeni yethu kwemngani wami, solo emoyeni bakithi kuyatshisa, singethi emoyeni kwakubuhlungu.
It's a good morning to you. Welcome to Asake Online. My name is Zenzele Ndebele, and this is the program, the Zipra Liberation Archives, a weekly program where we bring you the stories of the liberation struggle. Sizwe ukuthi katabatala babesenza nempini khona ngale. We've heard so many stories, some of them interesting, some of them, not that interesting, sad to speak, but it is important that as Zimbabweans we keep this history, we narrate it, we sibhale thina imbali yethu wenzela ukuthi abazukulu bengathi uLobhengula wathengisa ilizwe ngo-X, because there will be nothing that is written. So this is why it's important to commemorate, to look back, to reflect. The good thing is that we now have hindsight. Singabakhangela abadala sithi lapha nababhayiza, but they had gone to the war for the first time. We have never been to war. So what they went through should be a lesson to us, should also learn from them and probably improve the next generations to come. So in the program today, I'll be talking to Ubabu retired Colonel Mabiki Allen Moyo. Ibizo lakhe lempini probably abangani bakhe babemazi njengoMax Dumalezwe. We want to hear his story sizwe ukuthi kwakunjani empini. Baba Moyo, welcome to the program.
Yebo.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Maybe singaqala ngokuthi lingasitshela nje ngamafitshane ukuthi linalizelwe ngaphi lakhulela ngaphi.
Yeah, mina uMabhiki Allen Moyo njengoba kuchilo, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukunxusa kulolu program le eyokugcina imbali yeZipra Forces. Mina ngizelwe ngo-1959 mhla ka-23 February esigabeni seNyabane ePlumtree. Ngikhule njengabafana bonke nje. Unfortunately, ubaba lo mama they divorced when I was only 3 years old. Then ababakazi wami wanthatha wahlala eZambia Livingstone. From there when Zambia ithola uzibuse saphenduka sazohlala koBulawayo eMzilikazi ku10. Uqhubeka wahamba nithe sengikhula selami semfuna isikolo ngasensiye eNyabane siyenza uSAB Standard 1. Kwase kubuya ke ama-1970 kuintroducewa i-matric sesisenzani ilokhu zona grade 7 grade 5 6 7 kusiya khona nje. Ngikhulile ngifundile eNyabane, ngasuka eNyabane ngayenza ugrade 6 eNanda kuseCholocho. Ngayenza ugrade 7 eDikili konyengela eCholocho futhi. Kuthe kusuka lapho ngizange ngiqhubeke kuhle kwesikolo sibili, hayi ngapha division 5. Grade last grade. Ubabakazi wami wayengengcinile njengoba ngabe sehlukene ubaba lo mama basebehlukene. Wazama ukuhambisa ehlekwini ukuthi yenze building but I was not interested. Ngakhula lami ekhaya ngiselusa inkomo. Kwaqhubeka 73 74 75 ngisekhaya lokho ngibuya koBulawayo ngiye eLokhuzeni ekhaya. Ngo-1975 kwaqalisa udlebedlebe lwempi. Sezwa kuthiwa abafana bachayile, abafana benzeni. Sihlale endaweni zeNyabane imarula kuseduze, ibhomba likhala. Maqhuphula sithi abafana bachayile. Singazi ukuthi abafana sasithi abantu abanjani, abantu abadala. Bayothi abafana hayi kuqhubekile kunjalo ilokhu senza, hayi sibuya koBulawayo siyathenda amarali kaNkomo, ispecial koma-hofa lapha eMpophoma, sigcwala kakhulu simthanda uNkomo. Kwahamba ubizo lwakhona ngaleso sikhathi 75 la ngokabi khona. Kuthe ngo-76 umngane wami omunye wakuthiwa nguVusumuthi uNceda wasehamba empini. Ngathi ngakibo siyamdinga kwathi uhambile abafana bamthethe. Lami ngathi umfowethu uhambile, lami sehamba. yikusuka kwami ngo-1976 sekuqaliseni kwaSeptember ngasuka ngahamba ngaya kumimbabo kwakuthiwa nguJaha. uJaha ngubaba kaKhangelani, nguye wayenceda amagorilla kakhulu ngesikhathi sempi. Sabe sifika khona phana kuyimi Mabhiki, kungumshale Luphahla, kunguLove Modu uNcube, kunguNomoyo, kunguBodo Love Mo Ngwenya, kunguJairos Sibanda, kunguEnteni Ncube kathesi wakuthiwa Mhlanga leso sikhathi kodwa kathethi songakombiba uwakhele elwagwero. Kuzokuthi omunye kwakunguKhonde, uKhonde wayevela koSimawa yaphetsheya ngalo kwaJangwa. Sahamba ulokhuzeni uJaha wasigezisa, wasinika isihlahla sageza izithundu zentaba. Sasuka lapho wasinika omunye umuthi esasithi sikhambe sihlafuna sikhafula sihamba. Azange mbone iqiniso lehle mina ngakaze ndibone igorilla, vela zasuka nsiye empini ngalibonanga igorilla. Hayi ahamba lubizo lakho naselungeni.
Ufuna uyalibona lelo gorilla?
Ufuna uyalibona lelo. Besitshelile amadu hayi siyafika siphekwa, abantu bethi bayaphekwa. Mama khiwe buya laphenduka libe zimbuzi, libe zinkukhu, libe yini. Sitshela yonke leyo propaganda kwakwesikhathi sakhona. Sasuka eNyabane sadlula eChankwa sachaya saya eMachinge sabe iJekango eMachinge saya elosachapha saya fine indawo le very popular usakoThekwani saya eDombodema. Sasuka eDombodema sahamba kwase kusebusuku around 9. Sachaya sidabula umhlaba sichaya sisiyaphansi safika endawo okuthiwa kuseKensington.
Ngihamba ngenyawo?
Sihamba ngenyawo. Azasigadi bhasi, hayi sihamba ngenyawo singabafana abancane. Sabe sifika silala duze leborder singakwathi kusebborder. Kuthi ekuseni ngama-5 sizwa khwatshe. Ulokhuzeni isound yensimbi yakhona ayengajayelekanga. Sasiyathi sabona nangu umkhiwa uyachama. Basebborder sahle sadzenga sangena sachapha ibborder kwakulocingo. Sachapha ibborder sithe singale kweborder saqalisa ukukhuluma izinhlamba sithethisa amakhiwa. Abasibonanga labo sahamba safika koChief wabangana. uChief wabangana wasithatha weBotswana wasibeka endlini yakhe wabiza amapholisa. Ngiyabona kuthatha ngasikhathi eside kakhulu amapholisa akafiki. Yabithuthile iJeep yami eBDF. Bayifika besithatha besitharogeta abakhala vele abawemdala yabona wayele 17 years wayele 18 years or so. Babonke abafana abancane basithatha basifaka emoteni. Sachaya sakwenye angikwazi sawe police post khona apha eBotswana. Sasuka the following morning sathara Francistown. Sithe sifike eFrancistown asahlangana ngalama comrades abanye labanye abadala nje ababethethwe kudala. Hayi angalabantu abaningi. Ngokuthi sathi sifika kuthiwa abanye abantu asebathethwa abahambileyo i-first group yangapha eMembeshi eyahambayo isitrainer leyo. Sasitara khonapho kungalabantu ababuyileyo. September, October, November sathathwa eFramachina saya eZambia eLusaka. Sithe sifike eLusaka sabe sidlula sisiya eNampundwe. Sathola imoto zeZambia inkalakatha kuthiwa amaMajiras. Asifaka khona phana ezigreen zabe zisithwala ziseNampundu. eNampundu sithe sifika oyendawo khona inhlabathi yakhona ayibomvu. Sathi kanti lapha kuhamba njani la. Kwakule police post yamapholisa eZambia. Labanye kwakuthiwa iSwano okwi-breakaway kweSwapo. Kwakubabevalelwe khona eCamp yakhona. Thina sahlaliswa ngapha kule class inkalakatha eclass yapha. Sasehlala phakathi eclass sahlaliswa egangeni. Sahlala khonapho ngolokhuze uOctober, November, December. Kuthe ngolokhuzeni sahlala ngoJanuary ukufa kuka uJezethi. Asanganisa disperswa but saphinda sawiswa. Kuthe duku hlala kwaba igroup yabanye amadoda ababe 177. Awokuthiwa babesiye eGoli then angikwazi ukuhamba njani. Sabona sasingabantwana sabona sebefikile. Injive ezajama stroyed zijama stikasoli. Thina vele sasisigqokela iskima ngigqoka iskipa esasibhaliwe iPhintombi by Margaret Singane. Lama Super Pro lama bhokathelwana welezikhwama emaceleni la engangilakho safika laphana hayi baqalisa ama-comrades ukusi-indoctrinate besitshela ukuthi why silapha ukuhamba njani abanye besi-interrogate ukuthi ngubani othe ujoyine uvela ngaphi kwathini konke nje siyababonala babona igroup engihamba la vela ngabafana abancane sahlala saphekelwa sisidla khonapho kuthe ngesikhathi sabe sithathwa sisiye eNampundwe sesifike eNampundwe sahlala sibele nabhasi sahlala eNampundwe kuthe uphakathi kuka first 2 weeks zika January kwabe kuyigroup yangaphi eManama ukuthathwa kwabafana eManama ababuya bagcwala labo mama bonke bahlala khona lapha eNampundwe osisi kwathi kwathiwa ukuthathanga even 2 weeks ngoba kuthiwa abantu abakhethwe baye ngaphi by training sabe si divide according to age groups 18 to 22 manila phana 18 wathi kwani manje lapha alathi mnani yabona ngumncane abegijela bami siyajoyina bona laba bempini sabe sithathwa imota zeZambia as a national service chapha singena ku Great East Road siya ku training sachapha sisafika I came to later know ukuthi indawo la kwathiwa yini kuseKaunga eChinzete Kaunga sabe sifika sathola khonapho kulabantu amagorilla amaningi ababeza bama-structures bethu notable kwakulo Brighton Jones kulo Dry Pecheya kulo Velaphi kulo Timothy kulo uGodfrey kulo Makanyanga kulo Buso Benyoka sasithi ngubuso benyoka kulo PV Valerius Banda uSaigoni uSaigoni wayekhona khonapho kulo munye wayengu-intelligence asasithi nguSematondo yibaba bekhonapho lo munye umgcine wesembone selapha eLokhuzeni eCentral uLokhuzeni Sipho was doubling both as an instructor, a medic as well as a communication officer. Safika khonapha we were divided, we were about a group of 1,000 and they were divided into 2 groups of 500 each. And on top of that, we were further subdivided into age groups. Eyabo kijana, eyamajahanyana, eyamajahajaha, eyamababa, kusiya khona le yabantu abadala. Ama-company wakule A company, B company, C company, D company, E company. Mina ngangena ku B company. Yes, instructor wethu waba uBrighton Jones. Ukhona eHarare le. Uyake bonakala nje. Ngoba saqalisa training, savulela i-training. Sa-trainer ngesikhathi si-train owayengu-deputy ka-PV Valerius Banda kwakunguLokhuzeni kwakunguzwa ngami uDube, but he was removed kwasengena omunye uSilas wayevela bona wayevela eBedbridge wayevela eGwanda khonalo wagcina siba kukomisana. Sa-trainer sibili, training yaqala in earnest towards the end of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Sichiswa kuthe phakathi kwesikhathi sekuqalisa ukuchisa umfula lo wasuphela amanzi. Uthe uphela amanzi, we relocated that camp, we went further. The direction akona sayiqondi kahle kathesi, but went towards uRusemva River. Safika eRusemva sa-establish i-camp okuthiwa i-CGT. Not i-CGT 106, but it was called CGT. Sayenza i-training yethu khonapho saqedisa i-training yethu. Yes, siqedisa i-training yethu umuntu wabuya ezo-officiate ku-graduation yethu uJoshua Mqabuko uNyongolo okaNkomo. Nguye wabuya ezositshela sesiqedile. Yes, engikhohlwa omunye instructor oqakatheke kakhulu empilweni yami okuthiwa uGoronga. Yes, uGoronga was one of those instructors omunye wayikhonapho. Sithe sesiqedile i-training kwasekubuya ke aletha ukuthi umuntu lo ngagcina ngisibamazi umjeri ezokhetha ama-group ababesiya ngaphi for further training. Ngase siqedile initial training sesihamba ku further training. Afika basidivide according to our education qualification. Abanye ama-student ababengani ba-jacked up, they were selected to be instructors for the next intake. A notable Omoyo, OSB Moyo, Olokuzeno, Okwanzura, and abaningi abafana amadoda abalokhuzayo abathathu the Shoko brothers abaningi abakoShoko, they were selected to be instructors. Mina ngasuka ngahamba ngaya ngaphi ngaya eLusaka select ukuthi siye ku further training eRussia. Ngithe ngisuka lapho sifike eLokhuzeni airport, ibizo lami latholakala lingekho. Bambisele emuva. Ngithe mbuyele emuva akuhlalanga even another 4 hours umjeri wabuya in person wazombiza. Ngaphatha impahla zami ngajoyina ngahamba. Ngithe ngifika safika vele unikwe ipassport. Ipassport yami ngisiye eRussia kwakuthiwa ngiWhitehead Mapurisa. Ekhaya kwakuseMtare. Mina zalwe ePlumtree kodwa ngaleso sikhathi kwathiwa ngiWhitehead Mapurisa. Ngahamba eRussia as Whitehead Mapurisa. Sakati from China, I don't know if from China sakati otiyanga. Safika eLuanda. eLuanda sathathwa from China Aeroflot yama-Russians. And we flew direct to Moscow. Safika eMoscow ebusuku sasinqolile. Sasithethe njengoba sinjalo singagezanga. Intwala zisidla. Sabe sifika laphana singena fika salaliswe military camp eRussia. I don't know that military camp. Sabe swafute ebusuku. We flew saya eSimferopol. Sithe sifike eSimferopol we're driven to a training camp, Chepney Century. Safika training center safika sayenziwa ama-medicals. Impahla wawusimelayini, impahla wawusigqokile wawusikhipha konke wawula kusale nje unjengokuzalwa kwakho. Befaka ku-incinerator laphana kusitsha. Then sangena trainer. Mina was selected to train as a motorized infantry platoon commander. Group we group we about 15 of us. Abanye bakhona Nixon swachona, abanye Olokhuzeni uBhalevu swachona, abaningi sebachona. May their soul rest in peace. Sa trainer khonapho ke eSimferopol company commander wethu wama-Russians kwathiwa nguCaptain Untila. Nguye interpreter was Miss Oleka. Nguye wayesifundisa isiRussian mbishana babefundisa ukuthi just Dobry den kakujilaya hachu Buloshki watu ukuthi nje umanage ukucommunicate ilokhu bargaining language. We did not go in detail kulokhuzeni kuRussian. Sasiphongwenza nje ukuthi that is kwanisa ukucommunicate la kuye esitolo eRoja ngale sethenga. Sa trainer sibili lokhuzeni 1977. Chai training yaze yafika safika kungivele uqanda. UDecember wonke samdlalela khona vele safika khamba ngoNovember 77. Wafika ukugodola ndo. Sagodola sajaya ngothe ngesikhathi ispring yabiqalisa ulokhuzeni inyanga le that was April saqeda training. We flew back to Zambia. Safika eLusaka, we met by Alfred Nikita Mangena. I still recall what he said to us. He said, gentlemen, selivele Russian sele training now, we are now qualified sati. What but one thing I must tell you, lingaboni ngale ko revolution thino manikite singakuboni khona. Don't see beyond the revolution. Because we have been enlightened. Yes. Ngibuyele kancane mbishana eLokhuzeni eSimferopol ecampus trainer khona. Sathola kule Namibia. Abe Swapo. Sathola kule Frelimo. Sathola kule PLO. Yiwo ama groups ayikhona lethu abeZimbabwe. Yiwo ama groups trainer labo. Labanye wathu abavela omani yabona labana, but they were very few.
Mvuna ukubuza something lapha uqamba abantu engiyazi bethinteka kwezi ukhulume ngoGoronga. I once interviewed someone wayekhuluma the campo kambayo ngani wayekhuluma uthi wangani kule nto ayithiwa inyanga camp kubo Goronga uGoronga wagcina evalelwa. Do you remember the story?
Yeah, I remember. I heard the story, but I don't have details on that story. Yeah, but Goronga, I last saw him during our training. The next I heard about his death during the bombardment of Freedom Camp. Is that mhlaka 19 October? Nzabuya futhi khona pula. Yeah, semphendule.
Yeah.
Yabo. Kuthe kusuka lapho ngelokhuzeni ngase ngibuya eZambia. Sithe sibe eZambia sahlaliswa kwenye indawo okuthiwa kuseMembeshi. Safika nje sewedumped egangeni, we have to establish ourselves. Abanye balandelelwa ababenza ama-courses critically babuya bazothathwa bahambiswa ba-deploy. Thina abe-infantry, platoon commanders, company commanders, artillery, abe-artillery bathathwa bajoin i-artillery. Sise-CGT2 ikhonondwa nguSibosa along with the Great East Road. Satraina sahlala khonapho-ke, then kuthe ngokuhamba kwesikhathi saqalisa sonke udeploywa manje one by one. Mina ngathathwa igroup yethu yeplatoon commanders sahanjiswa eCGT2. Inkambe yayikhonyandwa nguTekenya lo Nyambingidza. uNyambingidza nyawuchipa yabona is a very popular guy. Yes, sifika khonapha ukuthi babe babophela uNyambingidza lo akwathi kwahamba njani ukuthi it struggled sometimes. It was being infiltrated ngabani ngama-Silo Scouts. They will come and build stories about you. Betu Moyo, njani. Well, Moyo was never a Silo Scout. But because Bakunu checked, we threat to their rising, they will distort you. So when Zenjaro, I come back with Jaro as a sale camp la pana, I tell Sashes in a singing cooler. I could have enjoyed seeing sis post was a Gulanjua. I will enjoy as a Gulanjo. What's just is the price in ye mini grouping abafana abaningi wathi bacommand kwawe group first group eAngola. Iwabo yasahlala labo labanye sebethethwe ba deploy endaweni eziningi, but abanye abasalayo babikwa khona eMagojini. Kwakule 2 camps, infantry le artillery kaSibosa. Hlale lapha nathi sengikhulile ngasithathwa ngayiswa eFreedom Camp. Ngithe ngifike eFreedom Camp angigula serious, ngathi ngadla ukudla ngikukhiphe kunjalo. Ngadla ukudla ngikukhiphe kunjalo. So ngathatha ngayelatshwa during the process of latsha amakhiwa mhla 19 October babe bebuya. Mina fortunate enough njengomuntu wayetrain eRussia sesesikwazi ukuthi iframachina leyana is a friendly force, leyana is an enemy force. Babuya ukounder from the direction of Lusaka International Airport, phapha ngaphi camp, Freedom Camp. Waqalisa ukudropa ama-cluster bombs amabhombu around so ama-combat khalani madoda ukhawunda ukuthi usijikelane. Mina nje umuntu wayebonile ngahlathi madoda no lapha soni asolokhuzele bafowethu aso umagudis le, this is death. Kubhalwe sifile ngabe ngigijima ngiseqela lapha egodini ngoba ngihlala esibhedlela ayiqela egodini okwakulani okwakulezibi ama-bandages. That was not a military camp per se, it was just a transit camp. Kwakugcwele vele abantu abagulayo. Abeqela phana nteqela phana ngabe ngiswitch umoya wami sithi hayi kuphuma. Ngithe ngiphuma ngisiya kuma-trenches, kwawo lama-trench body circumference ye-camp wonke border. Ngabe ngiseqa ngingena egodini omunye undoda into 2 pieces. Angikwazi waqandwa yini. Uyazi wangithuza ngawele egodini, thewele egodini athi akabona phela abenze embathisa ngayo. Ngithe ngizembathise ngayo amabukwa babuya ngehelicopter sebetshabe landelela labana abantu ngokuthi kwakule group eyayimele third group eAngola eyayimele train ababe separate. There were quite a number of guys ababe separate. Baqalisa udutshulo abalandela khona phana bechabe senzani.
So kini vela akula response.
That was the transit camp. It was not a military camp.
So vela kula
The only
anti-
guy ngiyabona owayelombhobho laphana was one uMateo, Matthew kumbe Mateo. Nguye I remember wayethola umbhobho abamchaya edubula ngombhobho abamchaya. Kulomunye we-South Africa sasithi umthakathi ngiwafika lwana waphonga uma wabamba iqolo wamchaya phakathi wamdabula ngwambona esiwe. Ngathi lami ngalala khonapho ngalala kwathi ngelikade kwachaya impembe iframachina zasesihambile. Uyabona iframachina siqenda ukubhomba kuyabe sekube amawabayile umkhozi engane ziyadive inyoni. Wathi ubona inyoni abantu belala phansi. Ngathi hayi izinyoni ziyasiphaphela. Uthe suka laphana sabuthaniswa sabuthelela ama-comrades lana sadinga ukudla olokudla but abanye babesekitchen. Wathola imbiza lezane ezinkulu. Umuntu echaye gazi wele phezulu khona phana amathumbini kuwele phezulu. But saba lesipini so sasithatha ifocholo. Siphendulela isithwala sisidlele ngaphansi. Kwakulochago olunye olwaluvele lokhuzeni Sweden uvela uvela uchago lolwana. Yilo saludlayo. Uyazi ngaba le appetite engakaze ngibe layo. Hacha saqeda ntambama salala. Kuthi the following morning kwabe kuthiwa lonke abagulayo sambeni ngaphi eMaheba bakwe emarolini. Thila sasuka saye Solwezi. Solwezi khona le Copperbelt sorry. eCopperbelt sachaya sayo Solwezi. Safike eSolwezi so ngabona impilo yakhona ngathi hayi lokho akuchasi. Sahlala khona ngale kwathiwa ama-20% ehlalani sodwa hayi sahlala sodwa. Sihlalile ke sodwa for quite some time. Kwazobuya ibombardment yoSolwezi yazobuya. Itable ibombardment liyana and kodwa mina kwawulomngane wamomunye. Lo muntu uyalikhohla ibizo lakhe but was a best friend of mine. Ngiyalikhumbula never forget what he said to me. Sasisuka sisiya ema-village sisiya dinga ukudla. Sithe one day siphenduka wabe sithi wena mfana Max uyakwazi ngakubulala. Ngathi asokutheni kanti ndoda. Wathi hayi ngakubulala mina Mesilo Scout. But just because you have been so good to me angikubulali. Hamba itshela ama-comrades ukuthi lizabhonjwa within 3 days kuyabhonjwa. Ngathola manga wathi asengihamba bye wabe cross ngathi Solwezi ngathi tuze le DRC wabe cross. Mina bahamba siyatshela ama-chief ama-command ukuthi undoda uthe bathi uyahlanya lwana tawumazi. Vele wayitshintsha voice was sort of a clown undoda wakhona. So everybody they were taking him lightly.
But
and on that particular day sasesijala ukuthi emini first light 5 o'clock sasiphuma siye egangeni last light sibuye sizokudla. But on that particular day bathi besithi baphenduka sebezokudla ntambama hayi.